In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert diagrams in your Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now to insert diagrams, it is pretty simple. Just head over to the slide that you want to add. For my case, I've just added this blank slide that I like to add diagrams. Then head over to this option called Insert, and you'll see we have an option for diagrams here. So under this, choose a style. You can choose either grid, hierarchy diagrams, timeline diagrams, process diagrams, and the list is just endless. You can see we have event cycle, and if you click on view all, you can see all of them here. From this, now you can decide which type of diagrams you want to choose. So for my case, I like relationships. If I click on it, now it will go ahead and present to me quite a number of relationship diagrams that I can choose from. So for my case, I'll choose this. So if I click on it, it will be inserted, and now I can go ahead and edit the text in my diagram. I can also go ahead and adjust the diagram size, and for each it will be adjusted as per my preferences. So that's how you can insert diagrams in your Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.